Hello, today I'm going to start exercise 12.1 of algebraic expression. Look at the first question. In this question, we have to make expressions. Here we have given some statements. Let's see what is the question. Get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using variables, constant, and arithmetic operations. Okay. So I told you what are variables. Variables, it means we need to use alphabets in place of numbers like a, b, c, x, y, z, whatever. Okay, then constants are the numerals. Based on the questions we have to put numerals. And arithmetic operations means addition, subtraction, addition, division. Okay, these are arithmetic operations. Let's see what is the question. We have to read the questions very thoroughly. Okay, subtraction of z from y. It means we have to subtract z from y. So the answer is here y minus z. Subtraction means minus from y. So when you will see from, it means say. So y minus z. Okay. Always the second one will come first and the first one will come at the second. Now see the second one. Half of the sum of number x and y. Half of the sum, it means half. In of we are doing multiplication. The sum of x and y. The sum of x and y. Half of the sum of number x and y. It means we need to do half of the sum of x and y. This is the answer. 1 by 2 x plus y. Simply you can do like this. Okay. Now see the third one. The number z multiplied itself. The number z multiplied itself. Okay. Z means z multiplied by z, which is equals to z square. Easy. Now the next one. 1/4 of the product of number p and q. 1/4. Okay. Of the product of p and q. Product of p and q. So 1 upon 4. P means of means multiply by pq. Okay. Either you can do like this or pq upon 4. This also you can written in answer. 1/4 of the number multiply the product of p and q. Product means multiplication. So 1 by 4 pq you can write, or p upon q 4 you can write. Next, number x and y both squared and added. Number x and y both squared. First we are doing the square of this number, x square and y square. Then we will add this, added. So the answer becomes x square plus y square. Square means power of 2. It means the power of 2. Next, number 5 added to 3 times the product of number m and n. Number 5 is added to. In added to, it means we have added with someone. Okay. 3 times the product of 3 times means 3 multiply by product of m and n. 3 multiply by m multiply by n equals to 3mn. What is the meaning of product of 3 times? 3 times means multiply the product of m and n. The product meaning is also multiply. So we have here 3 multiply m multiply n, which is 3mn. So answer is 3mn plus 5. Number 5 is added to the product of 3m and n. Okay. Now next, product of number y and z subtracted from 10. Subtracted from 10. From 10 we are going to subtract it. What? Product of y and z. Y and z product. So 10 minus yz is the answer. Okay. Now the last one. Sum of number a and b subtracted from their product. Sum of number a and b. What is the meaning of this? A plus b. Okay. Which is subtracted from. It means we have to subtract with a b product. AB minus a plus b is the answer. Okay. AB minus a plus b. We have to write like this. Now see the answers. Now question number 2. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. Let's see the first. Here the first is x and minus 3. Okay. So what are the terms? First term is x and the second term is minus 3. Okay. Clear? So what are the factors? The first one is 1 into x and second is minus 1 into 3. First is 1 into x, factor of the first term 1 and x, and second term is minus 1 into 3. Now see the second one. 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. So first term is 1, second term is x, and third term is x square. So the answer of the first one is 1, second one is 1 over x, and third one factor is x into x. Okay. What is C? Y minus y cube. So first is y and second term is minus y cube. So what are the factors of the first one? Y and 1, and second one is minus 1, then y, then y, then y. This is the factor of y cube. Similarly, you can do D part and E part, okay, and tell what is the answer of these. Now, second part. Identify the terms and factor in the given expression given below. The first one we have to do with the tree diagram. Tree diagram I already told you. Okay. One more time I am going to show you what is tree diagram. So first you have to write in tree diagram x minus 3, which is the expression. Then make this is x and this is minus 3. Then write the factors of this 1 and x, and here minus 1 and 3. Okay. In second tree diagram I am going to solve with D part. Okay. Remaining you have to do by yourself. 5xy square plus 7x square y. So what are the terms here? The first term is 5xy square and second term is 7x square y. So what is the answer of first one? 5, then x, then y, then y. And here 7, x, again x, and y. Okay. Why 2y are there? Because here we have the power of 2. So 5x y is the factor of 5x square 5xy square, and 7xxy is the factor of 7x square y. Okay. Now here in the second part, identify the terms and the factors in the given below. Here we have to simply find the factors and the terms. Okay, terms and the factor. So see the answers how you have to do. I already mentioned you. This is the answer of first one, means first part. Now the second part, you have to draw the table like this. In first you have to write the expression, in second terms, and then third factors. Okay, so let's see. First you will write what? Expression. So minus 4x plus 5. Then write the terms. In terms you will write first minus 4x. In second line you will write 5. Then there are factors here. Minus 4x means minus 1, 4 or x, and 5 is constant. You write 5. Like this you have to do. And see the answers of all these questions. Okay. The same method you have to draw table in your copies. I hope you have to know how to do all these questions. Now see the question number 3rd. Identify the numerical coefficient of the terms other than the constants in the following expression. Numerical coefficient other than the constant. Constant means we have to leave that numbers which don't have any variable. So we have to leave this because it do not contain any variable. 1 also do not contain any variable. Now we have to find the numerical coefficient of this. So the first one is minus 3t square, in which the numerical coefficient is minus 3. Similarly, here the numerical coefficient is 1, here is 1, here is also 1, here is 1, here is 2, and here is 1. Okay, likewise here is 100, here is plus 1000, here is minus 1, here is 7, here is 1.2, here is 0.8, here is 3.14, here is 2, and here is 0.1, and here is also 0.1. Okay, so we have to write only numbers. Okay, and what we have to leave? Only the constant number which do not contain any kind of variable. See, like this you have to make table. Expressions, terms, and numerical coefficient other than the constants. So first here we can see minus 3t square. So right here numerical coefficient is minus 3. So here we have 3 terms which do not contain any variable, which is t, t square, and t cube. Okay, and all 3 have 1 1 1 as a coefficient. In the third one we have x plus 2xy plus 3y. Here we have 1, and here we have 2, and here we have 3. Okay, in the fourth one 100m plus 1000n. In this we have 100m, and second is 1000n, 100 and 1000. In fifth one we can see there is no numbers. No numbers means 1, and it contains minus of sign, so the numerical coefficient is minus 1. And see here 7pq, 7 is the numerical coefficient. Likewise in 6th 1.2, 0.8, I already told you. In 7th 3.14 is the numerical coefficient. In 8th 2l plus 2b. Okay, so both contain 2, 2, so right here 2. Why it's so? By using distributive property. Distributive property says that we have to multiply 2, which is the number outside, with both the numbers inside. 2 with L and 2 with V. So we will get here 2L plus 2B is the expression. So the first term is 2L and the second term is 2B, and both contain numerical coefficient as 2. So right here. Now the last one 0.1y plus 0.01y square. So both have numerical coefficient as 0.1 and 0.01. Now fourth question, identify terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. Identify the terms which contain only x. See the first expressions. Here we have 1 square x plus y. The term which contain x is y square x. Why? Because here we don't have any variable like x. Okay, so what are the coefficient of x? So remove x, what you can see here, only y square. So the answer is y square. Okay, So first answer is y square x and second answer is y square. Now here the terms contain x is 8yx and the numerical coefficient is, remove this x, so what you will get, 8y. Here the term contain x is only x and the new coefficient is 1. Why? Because other than x we don't have anything here. Similarly, in fourth part we can see that the terms which contain x is zx and the coefficient is, remove x, so what you will get, z only. Here we have two terms which contain x, one is x and the second is xy. So the numerical coefficient of the first one is 1 and second one is only y. Likewise you have to do 6th and 7th part. Okay. Identify the terms which contain y square. So this B part also you have to do by own self. Okay. Here you have to identify terms which contain only y square, not y, only y square. So here as a hint I am going to show you. This is the term which contain only y square. This is the term. This is this is the term and this is the only term. Okay. And let's see the way of doing this question copy. You have to make table like this and write the term which contain x and the second what are the coefficient of x. Okay. And the second part like this. Okay. That is very easy. Question number 5. Identify the monomials, binomial and trinomial in the following expressions. Monomial, the terms which contain only one terms. Binomials, terms which contain two terms, and trinomials, terms which contain three terms. So here in 4y and 7z, how many terms are there? 1 and 2. So this is binomial. In y square it contains only one term, so monomial. So here how many terms are there? 1, 2 and 3. So this is trinomial. Let's see about 100. It contains only one term, so monomial. In fifth, 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. So fifth one is trinomial. Sixth, 1 and 2. So this contains two terms, so binomial. And here also we have to see two terms. Here one term, here three terms, here two terms, here two terms, and here three terms. Now you have to write the answer of all these. Okay. Question number 6. State whether the given pairs of the terms is like or unlike terms. So what are like terms? Which contain same kind of variable and the same exponent. Same variable with the same exponent. Okay. So here we can see that first one is 1 and 100. So they do not contain any kind of variable. They both are constant. So this is like terms. Here we have x and here we have x. They both contain same variable with the same exponent. X do not contain any number, so there is 1. So this is also like. And here in the third part we have first one is x and second one is y. So they do not contain same variable. One is x and another one is y. So it is unlike. Now let's see about the fourth. 14 xy and here 42 yx. This is xy and this is yx. Are they like? Yes or no? Let's see. It contains 1x, it is also contain 1x. It contains 1y, it is also contain 1y. So both have same variable with the same exponent. So they are also like terms. Now let's see about the fifth one. 4m square p and 4m p square. So 4 they have same constant. So we are not focusing on the constant. We are only focusing to the variables. So here we have 2m, here we have 1m. Here we have 2m and here we have 1m. Here we have 1p and here we have 2p's. So are they like? No, definitely not. So this are not like terms because they do not contain variable with the same exponents. Now see the last one, sixth part. 12xz and x square z. They both contain xz, but here the exponent is different, so they also are not like terms. Understand? See the answers. Question number 7. Identify the like terms in the following. So here you need to make group. First you see x y square minus x y square. Right, see all the terms which contain xy square. This is 2xy square. Now in the next one, is there any xy square? Here we have two numbers in x square of x y square in A. Now see the second one, minus 4 yx square means 2x and 1y. 2x, there is no y. Here it is 2x 1y. Anyone like this? No. So they both are like 20 x square y. Now the next one is x square 8x square. So how many of you know this is the x, this contain only x square, this also contain only x square. So along with the 8x square we will write minus 11x square and here minus 6x square. Now what about the next one? 7y. 7y. Terms which contain only y. This is the only y one. Now the next, minus 100x, which contain only 1x. So 3x will only come here. Then minus 11yx. So along this we will have here 2xy. Now count how many terms we have total. 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have written all. So this is the answer of the first part. Okay, and second part answer you have to find by yourselves. Question number 1. Now after finding the like terms or arranging the like terms, now I am going to show you how to solve them, or you can say simplify. Okay, this is the question of the next exercise, which is 12.2. Simplify combining like terms. Okay, so here all question is very easy, nothing you have to focus on this. Only you have to first arrange the like terms. It means you have to write the like terms together. First is 21b, then 21b will come along with the 7p, and in front of 7b which sign is there? Plus. So write here plus. Okay, remember one thing, we have to take the number along with the sign together. So this is 21b and plus 7b we will write together. Then minus 32 plus Okay, one more thing is also there I have not seen. Along with the 21b, here we also have 20b. So minus 20b is also will also written here along with b. So they all three are like. Now in last minus 32. So 21 plus 7 equals to 28 minus 20b minus 32. So 28 minus 20 equals to 8b minus 32. That's solve. This is the final answer. Okay, what is the answer? 8b minus 32. Why we cannot solve it further? Because they are not like. This is the variable term and this is the constant term, or this is not a term which contain b as variable. Okay, now see the second question. In the second, we can see here minus z square plus 13z square plus 7z square. Okay, they all three are like terms. Sorry, this is 7z cube. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you, while arranging the like term, you have to write the numbers or like write the terms in decreasing order. First we have to write the power of 3, then power of 2, then power of 1, and last constant. So 7z cube will be written first, then minus z square, then 13z square. After that, what we will write here? Minus 5z, then minus 15z. Okay, it will remain as it is. Why? Because we don't have the pair of with z cube. Then we have two terms which contain z square. One is negative, another one is positive. And I told you negative or positive will always subtract. So 13 minus 1, 1z square. Z square means 1z square. Okay, so 13 minus 1 equals to 12z square. And 13 is the greater number which contain plus sign. So we'll here write plus. Then zz. We have two terms which contain z and both are negative. So minus minus will always plus. So we'll write here 20z. Okay, and in C here 15z is the greater number which contain minus sign. So write here minus. This is the answer, 7z cube plus 12z square minus 20z. Okay, now see the third part. P minus q, p minus q, q minus p. So first we need to open the bracket. If there is minus sign outside the bracket, the sign inside the bracket will change. Okay, see here I am going to open the bracket, and we can see here before the bracket we have here minus sign. Okay, so p minus p. Here we have minus q, but we will write here plus q. Why? Because we have minus sign outside. And what is the logic here? Here we are going to multiply minus with the minus. As a result, we will get here plus sign. Then minus q. Then again we have minus sign. Then we have q. And then we have minus p. As a result, we have here minus sign. So this minus p will change into plus p. Now arrange all the p one side and q another side. So p minus p plus p, then plus q minus q, then minus q. So 1p and minus p will be cancelled. Cancelled means plus p and minus p 0. 1 minus 1 0. That's why I cut like this. As like this, plus q and minus q will be cut. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So what is left here? We have plus p and minus q, which is the answer. P minus q is the answer. Now fourth, 3a minus 2b minus ab. Then we will open bracket minus a plus b, then minus ab. Why it's so? Because of this minus sign. Here we have minus sign, so when we open this bracket, the sign inside the bracket will change. So minus becomes positive and positive become negative. Then plus 3ab plus b minus a. It will remain same because this is not inside the bracket and there is no minus sign outside it. So write all the a terms first. So we have here 3a, then minus a, then minus 2b, along with 2b what we will write here, plus b, here we have 2 minus a, see, this is also minus a, then minus 2b, here we have plus b, and here also we have plus b, then minus ab, then again minus ab, then we have here plus 3ab. Have you written all? 3, 3, 6 and 3, 9. See, we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, we have 9 terms. Okay. Now solve it. Plus 3a minus a equals to 2a and again minus a, which is equals to a. Similarly, minus 2b plus b, minus plus minus, so we have minus b, and plus minus becomes minus, so this will be cancelled. Okay, minus 2b plus 2b equals to 0. Minus ab, from 3ab we are going to subtract ab, so we have 2ab, then again subtract ab, we have again here ab, so answer is plus ab. This is the answer, a plus ab. Now try fifth part and sixth part by own self. Okay, in fifth part also you have to arrange the like term then solve. In sixth part first you have to open the bracket then solve. Okay, then afterward see question number 2. I am going to show you the first one, then you have to try by own selves. Okay, here we need to do addition, so write 3mn plus minus 5mn. If a term contain any negative sign, write in bracket, then plus 8mn, then again minus 4mn, then open bracket 3mn plus minus minus 5mn plus 8mn plus minus minus 4mn. Write plus plus together, 3 plus 8 equals to 11, 5 minus 4, 5 and 9mn. Why? Same sign are added, so plus 3mn plus 8mn equals to 11m, minus 5mn minus 4mn equals to 9mn. Okay, then different sign subtracted, 11 minus 9 equals to 2mn is the answer. Okay, so try all these questions by yourselves. If you have any doubt, comment me on the comment box. I'll give the solution of the remaining part in next video. Thank you and have a good day.